Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to go over. We've got rebates, run deals, freebies, and more. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other Dollar General videos for you all this week, so make sure that you go and check them out if you haven't already. I'm going to have them all listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now in this video, I'm going to be talking about some rebates on 3 different apps. We have Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, and we also have Inbox Dollars. So if you guys are not signed up for any of those apps, make sure that you go and check them out. I have all of my referral codes. They're going to be on the screen as well as in the pinned comment down below. And then for Inbox Dollars, you actually need a referral link. So if you use my referral link, you're going to get an extra $5 sign-up bonus. So all of that information will be in the pinned comment down below for you. Now, I also need to go ahead and let you guys know that for my Ibotta slide that you guys saw just a few seconds ago, it has on there a $20 welcome bonus if you use my referral code. I am using an older slide, so I do need to update that. I do believe that they have taken away the $20 welcome bonus, and they've knocked that down to a $10 welcome bonus, so just be aware of that. All right, now we're going to go ahead and jump right into these deals. First up, we have a deal on the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. Now, I know that we can get free toothpaste at other stores like Walgreens, but for Dollar General, I think this is a pretty good deal, especially if you can't get your hands on the Crest Pro Health when we get those for free. So what you want to do is pick up 2 of the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. They are priced at $4.50 each. So you're going to pay $9 out of pocket, but then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1.50 back on each one. So you're going to get a total of $3 back from Ibotta, and then you're also going to submit your receipt to Inbox Dollars. Right now on Inbox Dollars, we have a $1.50 rebate back when you purchase 2. So that's going to make your final price $4.50 for 2. All right, next up, we have a deal on the 75 count Clorox disinfecting wipes. So these are priced at $4.50 each, and we do have a 1-off-1 digital coupon. So you want to pick up 2, use that digital coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 2. But then on Inbox Dollars, we have a $5 rebate for purchasing 2. So that's going to make your final price $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. All right, next up, we have the 43-ounce bottles of Clorox bleach. These are priced at $4 each. Pick up a total of 2, use that 1-off-1 digital coupon. You're going to pay $7 for 2. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Inbox Dollars and get $3 back. That is going to make your final price $4 for 2, making those just $2 each. All right, next up, we have the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aids. These are priced at $4.95, and we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $2.95. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, because we do have a 50-cent rebate back on the Jet Dry Rinse Aids, so that's going to make your final price $2.45. All right, next up, we have the Finish Powerball Quantum Dishwasher Tablets, 12 count. These are priced at $4.45. With that 2-off-1 digital coupon, that's going to be paying $2.45. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1 back. That's going to make your final price just $1.45. All right, next up, we have the Finish Powerball Dishwasher Tablets, 18 count. These are priced at $5. With that 2-off-1 digital coupon, that's going to leave you paying $3 out of pocket. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get 75 cents back. That's going to make your final price $2.25. All right, next up, we have the Resolve Stain Removers. These are priced at $5.50, and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $4.50 out of pocket. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1.50 back. That's going to make your final price just $3. All right, next up, we have the 20 count Poise pads. These are priced at $6.50, and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $5.50 out of pocket. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $2 back. That's going to make your final price just $3.50. All right, next up, we have the 20 count Always pads. These are priced at $5.50, and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $4.50. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1.50 back. That's going to make your final price just $3. Next up, we also have the Always Liners, 48 count. These are priced at $5.50, and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $4.50. And then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back, and that's going to make your final price $3.50. All right, now for this next deal, this may or may not work. Here we have the Always Discreet liners, 26 count. These are priced at $3.25. Right now, we have this glitch going on with this 3-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying just 25 cents, which is a fantastic deal. But once you get into the store, make sure that you scan those Always Discreet liners and see if they will attach to this Ibotta rebate for $1 back on the Always liners. If that works, that is going to make your final price completely free plus a 75-cent moneymaker. Now, I will be running out to Dollar General here in just a few minutes once I get these videos uploaded for you all. So, hopefully, if they have those in stock, I can try out this deal and I will update you guys with a post about it in the community tab. Alright, next up we have the U by Kotex pads, 16 count. These are priced at $4.75, and we do have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $3.75. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $2 back, and that's going to make your final price just $1.75. And of course, don't forget to scan your receipt into Fetch Rewards because we do have a 1,750 point bonus when you spend 30, and that is a bonus that you can work toward over time. Alright, next up we have the Crest Gum Detoxify Toothpaste. These are priced at $5 each. Pick up 2, use the 3-off-2 digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $7 for 2. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get a total of $4 back for the individual rebate. Plus, we have a 75-cent bonus for purchasing 2. So that's going to make your final price $2.25 for 2. Now, I will say that we did receive a new 3-off-1 digital coupon for the Crest Gum Detoxify and Densify Toothpaste. However, that coupon is not attaching, but just keep an eye on it because if that coupon does start working, that is going to make one of these toothpastes completely free. All right, now for this next deal, we have the big 30 fluid ounce bottles of the Olay body wash. These are priced at $9 each. What you want to do is pick up a total of 2 and use that 5-off-2 digital coupon. That's going to be paying $13 for 2, but then this deal gets even better because you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get a total of $4 back, and that's going to make your final price $9 for 2, basically making it a buy one, get one free deal. All right, next up, we have the Old Spice deodorants. These are priced at $4.50 each. What you want to do is pick up a total of 3. Use that 5-off-3 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $8.50 for 3, but then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $3 back because we do have a $1 rebate on the Old Spice deodorants. Plus, when you purchase 3, you're going to get back a $2 bonus. So you're going to get a total back of $5, making your final price $3.50 for all 3. All right, now for this next deal, you want to pick up one of the Bic Easy Rinse women's razors. These are priced at $7, and then you're just going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $7 back. That's going to make this item completely free. And then we're also going to do the same thing and pick up the Bic Easy Rinse men's razors. These are also priced at $7 each, and then submit your receipt to Ibotta because we do have another free after offer rebate for the men's disposable razors. So that is going to make 2 packs of razors absolutely free, and I am going to call this a run deal because number 1, Ibotta can remove these rebates at any time, and number 2, the shelves will likely be cleared. All right, now next up we have the Nature Valley granola bars. These are on sale 2 for $6, and we have a 50-cent off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $5.50 for 2, but then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1 back. That's going to make your final price $4.50 for 2, which is basically another buy one get one free deal. And I do want to go ahead and let you guys know that we do have different rebates for the different Nature Valley granola bars. So if you guys wanted to mix and match, that is definitely an option. For instance, right here we have the Nature Valley wafer bars. These are also on sale 2 for $6. So after the coupon and the rebate, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2 boxes. All right, now we just have a couple more deals that I want to go over in this video. First up, we have this 50% off rebate on Ibotta right now for the Dunkin' Donuts cold coffee. So you're going to get $4 back on those. And then if you want to pick up the 4-count Evolve plant-based protein shakes, that is also a 50% off rebate. So you're going to get back $3.92 if you pick up one of those. Now, also, make sure that y'all check your accounts because right now on Fetch Rewards, I have a 200-point bonus for scanning in any receipt. So that is basically a free 20 cents. And then also on Ibotta right now, we have a 25-cent any receipt rebate. So for one of my transactions today, I'm going to go ahead and pick up both of those big razors, scan in my receipt to Ibotta as well as fetch rewards, and that's going to make that transaction completely free plus a 45-cent moneymaker. All right, now one last thing before you guys click off of this video, I want to let you guys know that I do have some more coupon matchups and rebate matchups for us, but I just didn't want this video to be too awfully long. So I am going to be posting some more deals over on the community tab. If you don't know how to get to that, just click on my name, which is right underneath this video. That's going to take you to my home page on YouTube, and then you can scroll over and find the community page. And also, make sure that y'all have your notifications turned on and set them to all, because I have so many more deals to share with you all this week. It has been absolutely crazy. So before you go, make sure you're subscribed, turn on those notifications, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. I know those are two really small things in the grand scheme of this world, but those really do help me out. So leave a thumbs up and a smile down in the comments, and then if you can, take a second and share the video, even if you just share it to yourself in a text message or an email. All of those things really do help me out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure that you check out the pinned comment down below, and I will see you all on the next one.